Hi, it's the 24th of November, 2021, almost Halloween, if I'm pronouncing that correctly.
Halloween.
Halloween? Halloween. It's
Yeah.
almost,
Hallow. You can be
it's
like Halloween or Halloween.
Halloween
Either
or
way.
Halloween. I mean, is it the sequel to Halloween? Is that
Kind of.
the second Halloween?
No.
Okay.
We don't call it Halloween 2 or the second Halloween. It's Halloween.
Yeah. Like, I'm just, like, there's gotta be, like, the follow-up to Halloween? You know, there's gotta be a thing. It's a claimed entry in the well-known holiday of Halloween,
Yeah,
Halloween.
exactly.
Yeah, it's gotta stay.
It's a predecessor.
Um, Halloween gets so popular that people are like, "What's Halloween? A prequel to Halloween?"
Yeah.
like, yeah, sure, whatever. Um,
It's the one where we go to space.
I do really want to see the Freddy X Jason that's, or is it Jason X? The Jason that's in space.
I think it's Jason X.
Yeah. I really want to see that one because that's an amazing scene where he like one of the victims is a girl in a sleeping bag and he just like picks the whole sleeping bag up and hits it against stuff until she's dead, and it's so
Yeah.
fucking dumb
Yeah, that
looking.
I believe that's the X.
Yeah, there's definitely the Jason X. Okay, I do really want to watch that sometime. Maybe I should put that on movie night.
Oh gosh.
Oh gosh, like it's a like no, I hate that. So what are you blendering today, Eve?
I don't know. I think today I'm just relearning it because since they literally changed everything. Okay, they didn't change everything, but they changed a lot of stuff, and now I don't know. I don't know.
Most of
User
it's
interface.
since most
Introduction.
of the pretzels stations are locked. What am I gonna listen to? Not classical, not EDM, definitely not Happy Holidays.
Hotbar.
I guess my options are jazz or lo-fi.
Open the splash screen. What the? Oh, that screen. Okay, never mind.
I guess let's do jazz. Jazz is, who doesn't like jazz?
Open a menu displaying information about Blender.
Aside
The
from
Blender version.
a lot of people.
Date. The git hash of the build. What is the git hash?
It'll be big, long, hard to read list of numbers that you will probably be able to see if you go to help.
Okay. This will be useful to give support. Okay, so it's something I need to know if I need support on something. Okay.
Yes, because it'll tell them what version of the application you're using.
Open the file menu. Control N, Control O, Control Shift O. Recover, save, link, amends the data from. Actually, so I'm just gonna change window to this, so at least you'll be seeing stuff move instead, even a bunch of words. At least you'll see me like highlighting stuff as I read it instead of a block that's not doing anything. The new data is copied. Blah blah blah. Data tools. Data block previews. Import export. Click this one. No. This is where my my eyes glaze over and I'm just like, yep, these are words.
I mean, are you just reading a thing? What are you reading?
Right now I'm just going over like the menus and what's all the things in it, just so I can be like, if I'm looking for something, I can try to remember where it is.
Does Blender have a like find anything shortcut? Does it not have that?
I don't know, but like sometimes I don't know what the word I'm looking for is.
I know, is it Control Shift P? The software that I'm using, Rider, has a thing for me to just bring up like a search bar where I can search for anything at all. So I was in like Blender and I'm like, oh, I want to stretch a thing. I'd like bring it up and be like stretch, and it's like, here's these 3 things that we think are related to stretching that might help you with what you're trying to do. I bet it doesn't. Most applications don't. It's real garbage. Oh, good.
New window, main window, toggle window full screen, next workspace, previous, show status,
Oh,
save screenshot. Ooh.
is the stream doing the thing where everything's great? No, okay, it's just fucking Restream being hateful. Thanks, Restream. You're a real pal, buddy.
What does that say? Window, save screenshot. It goes to just the local C disk? What? I said to. Mm. Document, Blender stuff. Okay, save screenshot. Now I go to document, Blender stuff. Okay, so it literally just screenshots all of your work. That's okay. Okay. Could just, screenshot it, but whatever.
Is that like everything, or is that everything that is in your like rendering area?
No, everything in the window, or in the window. So if I had it like really small, it would screenshot just that section of the. I assume it would screenshot just that section. Yeah,
Okay.
so it doesn't screenshot the very top. I'm quickly gonna switch screens to Blender. What does it show? Yeah, so see what is in my screen now that I'm sharing?
Mm-hmm.
It screenshots that whole thing.
Okay. So it's just like a screenshot. That's weird.
Yeah. Okay, UV editing looks easier to find.
Okay, then.
Okay. I like that. This has compositing. I guess Blender's supposed to be like a all-around tool. You can create something from start to finish in Blender.
Yes.
That's kind of cool. Too bad it's complicated and I don't know what I'm doing.
I mean, it's a huge piece of software. Like a huge piece of software. It does a lot of things.
Yes, but why can't I just know it now? I just want to know it now.
It does.
I want to know it now.
It does a lot of things that you are never going to need to know ever using it. Right?
I want to know all of it now.
Your brain would not be able to cope with knowing all of it.
I bet that's not 100% true. Maybe my brain, but the average brain. Text.
I was a software engineer for Flash, making Flash games for like 10 years. Still features of the Flash IDE that I did not know
How to texture item in
how to use properly. Apparently there's a project to make the Flash IDE open source, which I hope it gets done. I'm excited for that. I love making stuff in Flash.
Okay, how to add a texture in Blender. Most cases we need to add a texture to an object. We'll start with a very simple example. No. Dice. Texture. Easiest thing to do is throw a dice texture onto a cube.
And then you've made dice. Congratulations.
Yeah.
Oh, you're actually going to texture something. This is exciting.
We will save image as. We will save it for documents and under Blender stuff and under Blender photos and then under practice photos, and then we're going to change it to dice. Okay. Working in 3D, we come across two kinds of textures. They are procedural textures and image textures.
I know this one.
There are also more specific tools dedicated to creating textures. Don't be fooled, though. We can create very realistic textures with procedural models. In fact, many consider it to be the future of texturing. Box.
I screwed up because I actually had managed to make my tea and bring it to my desk.
That's cool.
How am I gonna do this stupid shit? I think I kind of know how I'm gonna do this stupid shit, but...
Normally I like watching YouTube videos instead of reading things, but in a situation like this, because we're on air, I just want to read things.
Yeah. Sometimes when I'm doing Unity stuff, I don't have a choice. It's like, here's this video, which is the only reference on how this feature works properly.
I think the same thing's essentially with Blender, especially the newer Blenders. Almost everything is just like, you have to watch a video, and I'm like, I don't want to watch a fucking video.
Yeah.
Okay, oh, this isn't old, but I'm sure it'll be similar. Okay, here. I guess new? Okay, yeah, new. Here. Oh, no, not here. Right under here. And then, oh, there's more images, okay.
How do I connect these two things together?
Nice. Open. Okay. I don't want to worry. Okay, is it? Let's do. No, where is that? Open. Projection. Where's project? Properties? No. Mapping? No. Okay, where is use? Okay, alpha's right there. It was under map. Okay, so it says it's under mapping, but it's not. I love when I look at stuff and it's, since the fucking version is so new, most of the old stuff is old stuff. Lovely.
Yeah, one of the things I've been trying to do with my Unity stuff is I've been trying to like use Unity's packaging system, and my IDE is called Rider, and I cannot find the right combination of Google searches to actually tell me how to use Rider to write Unity packages. Every time I search, it's like, here's the Rider package for Unity, and I'm like, I don't want the Rider package. I want to know how to use Rider to make a package. Can you tell me how to do that, internet? Like, no, apparently not. I'm like, I should just get in contact with the Rider team and be like, how am I supposed to do this? You can't even Google it. How am I supposed to work out how to do something without Googling it? Do you think I'm a professional? I just Google everything.
What?
What?
Oh, just this tutorial here is different, but it is for the newer thing, so there is that. Let's rewind a bit so because I can only fucking find a video for this, so.
I'm not even convinced I can do this thing I want to do in a way that's sane.
Okay, well that was a fucking lie. Okay, there's the preview. It wasn't a lie, but it was almost a lie.
It was kind of a lie. A kind lie. That's like some character's special skill in Danganronpa. It's called kind lie. Okay, so
Upper right corner and drag out. Okay, I guess. Okay, there we go. Change it to the. Okay, first of all, we're gonna go here. We're gonna change you to layout. Oh, fuck.
whoops.
Okay, and then we're gonna go here. We're gonna go to the shader editor. Fuck.
Getting spicy now.
Okay, how come? Oh, no? Do I click on this? Do I click on this? What am I clicking on? Why do you have a ball on your screen? Oh, okay. Okay. I hate this already. I fucking hate this.
You'll get used to this. I hate this too. I assume you're talking about this, like, big old rectangles connected with tubes.
Yeah.
Yes. But I probably hate it.
Node.
I probably hate it for completely different reasons to the ones you do.
Okay, so I'm gonna pause this. I'm gonna zoom in, and you need to be in the. I think I need you to be in a different thing, because I think if I change any of this, it's not gonna matter. I need you to be in. I think if I hit tab. No, it just swaps between those two. Oh. No, that's the one I want. View? No. I hate this. Nope, that's not what I want. That's not what I want. Okay, time to go back. Time to fucking try to listen to this guy again.
Back to the past, Samurai Jack.
Okay, tell me the next step. Okay, that was like, he's just like, when we go to the render view, and took like 2 seconds to find the render view. That's what he selected. Why does it look the same? Don't look any different.
What did I do? Just a genius idea is occurring to me.
Okay, wait. I dragged this here. Wait, no. What? What did you do? You fuck. Okay. Yeah. We dragged that out. Shader editor. Yeah.
Wait, that's gonna be no good. Okay, let's go back. Go back.
Wait. Is this what I wanted? Okay, wait. No, I need for him to say that again. Press Shift A, and hit search. Image. Text. Click.
Oh my gosh.
Let's see if I can figure this out first.
This is so familiar to me. I could probably open a thing in Unity and do an almost identical process to what you're doing right now.
Ah, no. That's not what I need to do. I need to go like this, and then I need to go like... No. I need the alpha. I need the alpha to go into base color. No. Oh, I don't even have an image in there. So yeah, I think I'm doing it right. No, not a new image. Oh, fuck. What have I done? No. Open.
Oh yeah, it's doing that thing because it's capturing the window and not the pop-up dialogues, so it just looks like you're waving the mouse around it. Nothing. Oh, the last dialogue opened.
Oh, that's weird.
No, you're close.
Oh, like I'm close to getting it?
I think so.
Okay, wait, let me... That changed a thing. Okay, so we are going to go... Get out of the way, Discord, you fuck. We're gonna go like this. And we're gonna go like... What were we gonna do next? Fuck, what was I gonna do next? There's a thing I wanted to do, and I don't remember how to do it. Lovely.
I really want to open your Discord thing up so I can see better what you're doing, but it will fuck up the stream.
Oh, okay, yeah, this is what I wanted. UV editor. How dare you not be there? What the heck? How do I... Okay, I'm selected onto you. which means the UV editor should, like, it should be here. Do I need to open something? I'm so confused. Okay, I'm gonna click this, I'm gonna click that, I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna UV editor. Why aren't you there? Why is this? This is why I get frustrated with programs. Like, it should just be there when you select on it, but for some stupid reason it's not.
Do you not have to, in your flow diagram thing, say where the UVs are coming from?
So Maya, in Maya, if you select on the item, that will just pop up on the UV editor because you have selected that object. So why wouldn't you want to look at those UVs?
Because some things, the UVs are not generated by a UV map. Like if you have procedurally generated texture, you don't have a UV map you can look at because the
I have
UVs are being
seen
generated.
the UV for this cube, and now I just can't find them.
I mean, okay, I'm gonna risk fucking up the stream so I can look at this. Well, I don't risk it. I'm gonna fuck up the stream because I want to try and look at this thing.
It makes sense that when you're selected on an item, the UVs will be there. The only difference I did was I applied a texture that currently should kind of wait. If I click, no, if
Try middle click.
okay, you stop that.
What's that red box?
1 second. I did it! The material output.
Okay.
Okay, so I got the texture on it, and I click it, and this is supposed to be the UV editor, and it's just like, you know what? Fuck you.
Okay, I can see the material in the thingy now.
I click here. Like, why?
I mean, I suspect you can still do it. You just have to do a thing.
Yeah, and it's stupid that I have to do a thing.
The guide was like, oh, you need to unwrap a thing, but you surely don't need to, like, fucking UV unwrap a box.
No, like, it should just be unwrapped in it already, like, it should already just exist right now. Because you typically, when you create an item, it will have, like, a basic UV thing. Maybe not if it's, like, a curved item, but this is the basic cube that you start off with when you open it. And again, I have seen the UVs for this cube, and I just don't know how to find them again.
This says blah blah blah. In the 3D view, select all your vertices by pressing A, and that's unwrap. Okay. Select UV editing from the screen layout drop down in the
Oh,
UV.
I have to be in edit mode.
What is
That's
going
dumb.
on with that? Oh, okay, that's your UV. That's that black box is your UVs.
Mhm.
Okay, I was like the green box is the UVs, the green box is in the UVs. This is why all your dots are in the wrong places. Looking at dots in all the wrong places. Oh my
Now
fucking god.
Don't know how to edit the UVs aside from like dragging single ones.
'Nope,
I can't even do that. Can I not change where the UVs are? Oh my gosh, this is a nightmare. Okay, what if I... Okay, I can select them. Okay. How to... No, don't caps lock me. How to move UVs. Use Blender.
Alright, back to suffering.
In Blender, select the object, enter the edit mode, open the UV, blah blah blah. Press the little icon in which lets you select the whole UV island, which I guess I don't fucking know. Oh, there is a thing.
I believe the UV island is all the UVs that are connected to each other.
Yeah, I know what a UV island is. I don't know what the icon looks like that allows you to select, but that doesn't really matter because it's like a slightly different question. You press GR, but like, do I have to press it here? No, GR. Okay. So it looks okay.
Now you're doing it.
Yeah, but I don't know, like if I go over here and I click move, it goes to this. I don't know where those buttons are because I hate using the hotkeys, to be honest.
Oh, but Eve, hotkeys are love and hotkeys are life.
Not in here. If I hit was it R for rotate? I just have to rotate from this pivot point.
I mean,
I can't.
Can you not A to select all and then R to rotate everything?
But and now I guess it is a dice now. But no, it's not just that. It's like if I want to go like this, and then I want to like let's say, is it S size? I can only do it via sliding from this point, and if I click, it's done. I can't. There's no like little thing I can do to like click and drag.
You want to like freeform move the UVs around? Is that
kind of? Yeah. But I would like to, yeah. So when I do this, and I hit, is W move? I don't fucking remember what move is. G.
Hang on, G is move. That's dumb.
Yeah,
oh, G for grab. Okay.
Yeah. So if I hit G, I guess it's not as bad in the UV thing. It's worse in 3D universe, but
Eve, I love you that you're trying to fix this, and instead of starting by scaling the whole thing up to make it roughly the right size,
it won't work.
Like I'm gonna pull these individual UVs around until everything is roughly dice side shaped. You're the best.
I am the best.
God, I can't believe that it's G for move. That's so dumb.
I did it. I made a dice.
Yeah, there you go.
It's a bit of a wonky dice, but I did it.
Congratulations.
Now I hit tab. It's beautiful. Look how beautiful my dice is.
Yeah, it's wonderful.
And now I'm going to hit. No, wait. I'm going to go here. I'm going to go here. And we're going to go here. Look, it's even cooler of a dice. It's even more of a dice. And all I had to do was hit a modifier. I'll make it even cooler. Three segments. Now it's even more of a dice. Look how dice that looks.
Your 3 dots and 6 dots
Yeah,
are
I know.
perilously close to
Yeah, I know. Don't worry.
the bevel on the edge of the dice.
I know. Shut up.
Oh, you know what would be like true chaos theory? Start a company that is the bad dice company, and you make like a 6-sided dice that has like a 1, a 5, and a 3 on twice. Or it has like two sides and no 5 side. So you can mix them in with other d6s, and people wouldn't realize for a while that one of the dice is just like totally fucked. You're never going to roll a 5 on it, ever. And then do the same for other die. Can you imagine that? It's d20 and like 4 of the numbers on the d20 just aren't there. They've been replaced by other numbers, so you're twice as likely to roll a 17 as any other number. I'm ready for this like strong chaos energy. What do you think? What do you think of my business proposition?
It's beautiful. I love it.
I have to tell you about the stupid thing I just did.
Okay.
So when we're streaming, I have to take my phone out of its case and put it in its cradle to be the camera for my beautiful face, for my avatar. And my empty case is like sat on my desk. And I heard my phone alert noise go off for a message, and I picked the empty case up off the desk and flipped it open, and it was like, oh yeah, my phone's not in there. It's in front of me, and I cannot close this app to go look at this message. I hope it's not urgent.
What S? I think for size. Yeah. Also, if I have the tool in Maya, it'll allow you to just like, so if I have, say, the move tool on, essentially, it'll just like every time I click, it'll just be available there. But with this, I have to like individually select stuff, and it drives me insane.
Yeah, that sounds weird.
Oh, sorry.
There's probably a workflow solution for that. There's most certainly a workflow solution to that. I mean, I say that, but maybe like certain 3D applications. Also, this UV map's made by a fucking... No, not showing the UV map. This texture is made by a fucking monster.
Yeah.
Like, look at how close the 2 dots are to the 6 dots. There's no way you could get, like, sufficient border around them.
I just downloaded, like, saved the closest, or one of the first pictures. I was like, yeah, sure.
This is so... It's not so garbage, but it's, like...
It's slightly better than it was before, but it's still pretty garbo.
You'd have to, like, fuck up the UVs in order to make it fit.
But now look at my dice. It looks slightly better if not off skewed. It's weird, but that's my dice.
I mean, I guess technically you wouldn't, if you're trying to use your texture effectively, you just have 1 dot. And then
no.
No?
No, the image is not high resina, or not the image. Since it is a cube and each side is 1 texture, you would need multiple textures. Like you'd need multiple faces on each side that would line up properly. So for instance, let's say I wanted to overlay all of it with this 1 dot. This would have to have 3 individual faces, bare minimum, that I would line up with that 1 dot. And then this one would have to have at least 2 faces that line up with that 1 dot. That one would only need 1. This one would need 6 faces. So
yeah, I know you'd be adding more more tries to the model so that you could wrap it more, but you would cut a huge amount of texture, just like a lot of texture.
Yeah, but for an example like a dice, I don't think the dice texture is breaking the texture bank.
It could be.
Especially if it's like a small item in the background, then it could just be thrown onto like another item's texture, right?
It's like it depends how close the player's gonna get to the dice, right? And how high quality you want it to be.
I mean, to be honest, the best solution. No, I think it would be better to have the single texture than having extra faces, wouldn't it?
I mean, I think actually talking about this, it's like you wouldn't. You'd have a texture. Oh no, I have to think about this. It's like you'd have a texture for the dice body, but you'd actually use like a shader or something for the little divots.
Yeah, I was actually thinking that, like a bump map, maybe.
Yeah.
Okay, wait.
You can probably generate a bump map relatively
I
easily.
can just use this image as a bump map.
Will that work? It can't like infer depth from that, right?
No, but I was doing a thing with another thing. I think it was maybe a modifier.
It sounds like a modifier thing. God, it'd be so sick if the dice actually had little divots in the model where the dots
I was
were.
doing it. Remember my Pikachu picture that
Yeah,
was like
yeah.
horrifying? I was doing it with that. I could just I could just do the same thing with that if I remembered how I did that.
Is that like
I think it maybe.
is that a UV shader or are you modifying the actual model though?
I,
If that statement
uh
means anything to you.
I don't know if I was. I don't remember, to be honest. I was just
Alright,
fucking
okay.
around.
Okay.
Object data.
What? Okay. Oh, okay. Wait, what? Where am I? Where am I serializing this? Here. Alright. And I have to do it here because I said it was required that you had to be able to specify when you make an event, you have to specify what time the event happens at, and that's fucking useless, Eve. It's useless. It's dumb. Who makes a linear sequence of things and is like this thing happens at this thing and time and this thing happens at that time? You never do that. You're like this thing happens after that thing, right?
That makes sense.
You're not like, oh, traffic light and it turns green and then after 500 milliseconds it turns amber and after 300 milliseconds it turns red. You say it turns green and then it turns amber and then it turns red. Fuck me. Imagine a software engineer who's also an idiot. Now you're imagining me. Okay. So now public event. And then this is probably going to be bad because if I make an event
God, this video looks like a nightmare. Go to filter.
So then I probably want a structure in my event
Not Photoshop.
that
In the node editor. Okay, that's here.
yeah, you got some great looking nodes right there.
Yeah. Add 2 color textures. Image node set as color and the other one as non-color data. So if I do Shift A, image. What the fuck? No, get out of here. Shift A. Oh, that's why. It's because you're being an asshole. I see. Image texture. Set one as color. What am I doing? Okay, first I'm gonna try to open this. Oh no, it crashed!
Yeah, the window in Discord just like closed. Ugh, I gotta do the thing on the stream now. Where is it?
Yeah.
Oh no, I don't have a technical difficulties window for this stream.
It didn't save. I lost all
my. Oh
my.
no, your dice. Well, then it'll be really good practice for you to recreate it. You'll find out how much you remembered. You can be like, wow, I'm doing this so fast now. Just think of me as your study buddy who is more of a problem than a buddy.
Okay.
I'm here to help you, but not in the way that you'd like.
This one should be in the.
Are you back to life now? Can I?
Yeah.
Re-add to your.
I was back to life pretty quick.
Boop. 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 And
search image texture.
Come on. Come on.
Put the color.
There we go.
In the alpha. And then I open. I go to document. Blender stuff. Blender photos. Practice photos. Dicey. Alright, I also have to go here. And then I have to go here. I think that's what I had to do. No.
And then,
I thought I was just supposed to drag this, but maybe I'm an idiot. Oh wait, I know what I want to do. I want to go to this. Okay.
Wait.
I want to do that.
What? Why is this in data? This is why I keep fucking myself, because I keep looking in data for it. Okay. Let's move this to here. And then add a new directory. Wait. No, I have a thing for this. Right? It's this, and then it's an int.
Okay, here's another issue I have with the selection tool the way it exists. Is if I want to select all of these vertices, and then I just want to, or no, if I want to select all the vertices, and I just wanted to resize it, but only vertically and not horizontally, I can't do that because the moment I hit S, it'll resize the whole thing.
Oh, it's uniform scale. You can't. There's gotta be a way that you can scale it. Is it if you do S and you scale horizontally or vertically, can you hold down Shift or Alt or something to scale in just one axis?
Shift is no. It looks like I just have a slight like more control, like it's not as hectic. And Alt is no.
Okay.
Control, no. Spacebar stops it. Toolbar. Okay.
Oh, okay.
I
Thank
didn't
God
have
for
to grab.
that.
Okay, grab, rotate, scale. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I wanted.
Oh, you went actual gizmo. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I wanted. Perfect. Okay, back to what I was doing. Which is beveling it to look like a dice.
Okay,
It's
now
me.
I do need to... Oh, son of a bitch. Okay.
My dice is beautiful again.
Nice. See, it didn't take you almost any time at all.
It's only because I didn't have to watch the tutorial again. Okay, let's save it this time.
Just take some self-satisfaction
No, I'm terrible.
in that something that previously took you nearly an hour to get the hang of, you recreated it in like less than 5 minutes.
Practice.
That's so much more efficient. Can I... Okay.
Now we're going to go back to probably crashing this. Okay, in the node editor, add 2 color textures in image nodes. Set one as color and set the other one as non-color. How do I do that? Okay. Okay. Okay, let's see. Shift A. No. Shift A. Image texture. Create. Open. Dice. Okay. Not crashing. That's good. Non-color.
Actually, yeah, it's kind of appalling
Oh,
that Blender crashed when you were just donking around with, like, a cube with 2 modifiers on. And a texture. That's wild. That's, like, less stable than Unity. Okay. Cool.
okay.
Set.
Add 2 identical textures and separate texture slots. Call one bump under whatever color, normal, blah, 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 blah.
No, I don't need to... Oh, yes, I'm very good at code. Okay. Actually, maybe I'll do this anyway. Just because I can.
Okay.
Going on an emotional programming journey right now.
This is on an older version. These guys can go fuck themselves. Okay. Add the 2 identical textures to separate texture slots. I think I did that. Call the second one bump under influence. Okay, wait. Under influence. Wait, do I make one? Okay. Bump. Click. Okay, okay. Move you here. At this point, I'm just copying. No. This. You. No, that doesn't exist. Whatever. Displacement. Does that look the same? Maybe if I go like this. And then maybe if I go like this, 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 this. Okay, it's color going into height. Get out of here, alpha. No. Okay, yeah, there we go. This one's non-color. No, this is confusing, man.
Hmm.
Maybe if you get out of here. You go in here.
Looks like something's happening.
It might look terrible, but it kind of looks like there's shading.
Oh, Eve. It does look like there's kind of like shading.
Why? Oh, it's bumpy. The dots. It was like that anyway. Okay. Okay. Now the big question. What does it look like when I render it? It crashed!
Did you remember to save your work this time? No, you didn't, did you? Because you only save like every 2 hours.
So I saved after I created, like recreated my cube.
Okay. So they're learning. Becoming more highly evolved, efficient. I will be right back. My body is like, get rid of all this water you put in me.
God, bodies suck.
Yeah, they do.
Color into normal. Normal into normal. I think that's what I did. Why aren't you showing me?
I'm back. Oh. On a day where I'm feeling too low energy to program, I'm going to make a sleeping animation for my avatar when I walk away from the computer. I don't
Now it's
know.
not showing me my texture.
Oh, yeah, I need to re-add your thing because it crashed.
For that time opening, that didn't crash anything. Render image. Please don't crash. Please don't. Okay, well, I rendered my dice.
Please don't crash. I just got this back up and running again.
Oh, I need you to be non-color. I'm gonna hit Control S. Nope. No, shift Control S. How does, what buttons? It is Control S, so I'm just gonna hit Control right there. Or just hit save right there. Okay, now let's try it again. Render image. Don't crash, don't crash. No, it doesn't have the bump map. Why did I get the bump map kind of working last time?
Again, valuable learning opportunity.
Aha! There we go. Now, how do I do the do? Okay, it should be normal, normal. Is it alpha? No. What was it? Okay, so it was, oh no, no, no. To height. I do that. Control S. Render image. Don't crash. I mean, I guess. I probably wouldn't pass me if I sent this in as a project. I'd be like, what the shit did you do?
I mean, I wouldn't pass you, but I'd give you like the high end of the low grade.
What's going on here? Look at this.
What is that?
Well, I took away the bevel and it's still.
No, I don't think that's the bevel. I think that's the depth, the UV map.
Yeah, I
Like
think it's probably these lines that are on the outside of the thing.
Oh, right, they're actually lines that are on the texture. What garbage. Is that really? Did you just Google dice texture and that was literally the first thing that came up?
It was one of the first ones.
Okay, I'm gonna look. Oh, you picked this nice multicolored one.
Dice texture.
I love that this text.
Okay, first of all, the 2 is to the side awkwardly. First of all. No, I don't like this. All the like the 6 is also like too far over. I don't like it.
I mean,
I should have picked this one that has no lines on it.
So I'm looking at the first 4 textures. That all their dots are fucked up. Like all of them, the dots are too near the edge of the sides.
Okay, but there. So
Literally
when I
every
look,
single one.
the third texture, doesn't have any lines. It's just dots.
Yes. I mean, they were like, look at me, I've been clever and compressed this texture down, right? Because they got rid of a bunch of white space. It'd just be awkward to UV map,
What? No,
right?
there's still white space.
Yes, there's less white space, though. They basically removed...
I think we're looking at the different pictures.
I can see one where 1 is in the top left, and then 2 is underneath it, and then 4 is underneath that. And then the next column there's 1 block of white space, and then there's a 3 and a 5, and then in the last column
No,
there's...
that's not the one I'm looking at.
Okay.
It's
Yeah.
the one next to that one on mine. There's one right to that one. It's essentially in the same shape as the other ones, but it's also this fucking texture is stupid because it's not even the way dice exist.
I was gonna say, is
One-
that it's not
one
even...
is supposed to
it's...
be
Oh
on
my
the
god,
other
it's...
side of
You're
6.
right, it's not even laid out properly.
Yeah, this is the worst dice
Like,
texture. What have I done?
That's what's getting to me, yo. There's an instruction to WebGL textures one that actually has space around the sides of the dice, and then there's one for the Washington Edu courses that also has stuff that's sufficiently spaced. There's this really nice stock one that has wooden... Oh, it's got fucking watermark on. Never mind. Never mind. Anyway.
Whatever.
This
I
is
chose
like...
the shitty dice texture. It's just for practice, so whatever.
Like, oh, fuck Google, man. This sucks. It sucks that you Google dice texture and the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 results are all bad. They're all bad. Result 2 and 4 is like the same texture like the one that you were using, only result 4 has black squares in the white space instead of white space.
Yeah, I see that. Yeah.
Fuck Google. Like, this is supposed to be... They're supposed to be like, guys, we have the best search engine. This is not the best search engine.
We're gonna size, and we're gonna make this... Okay,
If
I don't even care if it looks ugly right now. I just want to see what happens when I render this garbage.
Oh my god. Okay, I hate this. I hate this. Why am I still doing this? I hate literally everything about it. I'm gonna look at my code and we'll find it less hateful at this point than fucking dice textures. Ugh. Kill me. Why is it I wanna die? Alright. If...
I mean, that looks less jank. Like, it's still jank. Don't get me wrong. Oh, let's see how horrible this looks. Render image. It doesn't look any less horrible. It looks like I tried to make it look like somebody shot holes through this dice.
That is true. Oh. Okay, let's go. If both of these are a thing, don't do anything, just return the value. If onset true, then
What? Oh, because there's a no. What? Is that the camera? I thought that. Oh no, that is the camera. I wish it would just render from where I was looking at it. I didn't have to move a fucking fake ass. Okay, what if I delete this? If I delete this, will it just render from whichever direction I'm looking at? Error, no cameras. Go fuck yourself. This is stupid. It should just render from the direction I'm looking at. Why can't it be more like Maya? If I go like this. No, I can't move. This is garbage. I hate this. Oh my gosh. go like this. Okay, let's render this shit. Reminds me of like some shitty Minecraft mod. Why no dice in Minecraft?
For some reason, somebody has put dice in Minecraft. I got
Why no official dice in Minecraft?
I got a news alert the other day about the new patch coming to Minecraft. After how long has it been since that game went into 1.0? I'm going to look this up now. I'm gonna stop being useful and look this up.
Where?
Okay.
There's my water.
Okay, Minecraft 1.0 was released November 18th, 2011. It's 10 years old. After 10 years, they have finally decided to add biomes to caves. Like, they've decided to make the mining part of Minecraft more interesting.
Hate this dice texture. What did I do to myself?
I don't know, you picked, like, a crappy texture to work with. I don't know what to say.
Yeah, it's true. I did.
You
I
could
admitted it.
you could always change it. You could
No,
change
I don't
it
want
to
to.
you could change
No,
it
I'm
to a
too
different.
lazy. No, it's awful. No.
You could just change it to a different texture.
I'm gonna control save this. I am going to open pumpkin blend. Where's my pumpkin? Is this a pumpkin I really liked, or is this? This is not my first pumpkin. This is my first pumpkin? I don't think so. I don't hate it. I'm going to open. No, don't save. All I did is run. Okay, no. Whatever. We are going to go like this. Like this. Go like this. Hey, I said this. You are going to be UVR. What? Where? What? What's going on? Oh, it's on the bottom for some reason. It's probably because this is an old version file opened in the current version. So, whatever. What?
Okay. I no longer have to do this. I can just be like,
What?
public value
Okay.
provider. It's time provider.
Nope. We're gonna go.
I should probably make a class actually. Public.
Actually,
time
we're going to
provider.
go tab. We're gonna go shift. Oh. Why are you like that?
I enjoy doing this streaming because it means somebody could walk in and watch me being indecisive about code in real time, which is a pleasure people couldn't enjoy before. Are you trying to put a texture on your pumpkin?
I'm trying to UV edit my pumpkin.
Hopefully without crashing Blender.
Okay, what did I do wrong? This. Oh, wait. Maybe I know what I did wrong. This. No, now I don't know what I did wrong. I don't like this. I hate this game. I go like, I know I want it to be a circle, I guess. If I go like this, do I have to? I assign material. Of course, it wouldn't be that easy.
Oh wait, I probably don't want to do that because because
Mm-hmm.
no, I can't think of a good reason.
Mm.
I can actually.
Not a good enough reason.
No, it's a very good reason actually. If I make my weird little class that tells events how they're timed a data class and then I just pass that data around, I'm not going to be able to I'm not being able to easily define multiple kinds of timing data because Unity is bad at inheritance. Once you make something serializable, it has to all extend from the same serializable object. So that would be bad. But then I guess I'm just making another fucking factory. I hate that.
If I go like this, and I go like... Okay. We're done with that. Okay. I would like to kill you, please. I hit delete? Okay, good. That's delete.
Okay, now I'm back to square one.
I want you to not be... Why? Oh, I know why you're there. That changes you slightly. Why buzz? Why phone buzz? Why phone? Oh. Child of chalk.
Oh, okay. My phone buzzed as well. I guess that's why. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm hearing about TikTok. Alright.
Yeah. Are you planning on watching Hawkeye?
Yeah. How long have I been like justice for Hawkeye? A super
while.
long time. It's been since like the second Avengers movie. I was like, Hawkeye deserves his own literally anything. It's frankly insulting that fucking Loki got their own show before Hawkeye did. Fucking what's his Hawk guy with the wings, who wasn't even
Falcon.
Falcon, who wasn't even introduced until Ant-Man, got their own show.
No, he was introduced in Captain America 2.
That makes it much better.
He was introduced and he was like a big part of it.
Hawkeye has been in the MCU since.
So I think part of the reason they pushed it a little bit is it seems like it. Well, no, it doesn't seem like it. It is Christmas time
Oh
during the
yeah,
show, so
no,
it makes
no,
sense
no.
for it to come out during Christmas
It's
time.
definitely scheduled for Christmas, and like they only started doing the TV stuff 2 years ago, so they've only had 2 Christmases since they started doing the TV show. That still doesn't excuse not giving Hawkeye any justice for like 9 fucking years. Like, when did the only character that has been done more dirty than Hawkeye for like not getting their own thing despite being in the MCU for so long is the Hulk. And at least Hulk got Thor: The Dark World.
Hulk technically got his own movie. It was just trash.
Nobody counts that movie. And
Okay, a lot of people do, but I definitely don't.
And it's not even the actor, right? It's not the same actor. It's not Mark Ruffalo.
Yeah, yeah, it's a different actor.
Yeah.
But it's like canon, which is dumb.
So yeah, but yeah, Hawkeye doesn't even technically have their own movie, right? They don't technically have anything aside from an arc in fucking Avengers where they turn into lame ass bad boy Hawkeye.
Oh, Ronan?
Yeah.
Checker texture.
Nobody asked for that. Nobody wanted that. Nobody asked for that or thought they want that. How does it feel
Definitely
to be so incredibly wrong? Like, how does it feel to end up on the wrong side of history?
You're practically a Nazi. Are you happy?
There are people who thought that treating all kinds of pain with opium medication was a really good idea, and you're in the same boat as them right now for thinking that what anyone wanted was edgy boy Hawkeye. But yes, I am planning on watching Hawkeye. I'm working.
The first 2 episodes are out, just so you know.
Yeah, I know. You told me a couple of days ago, and I was like, I'm gonna finish watching Cowboy Bebop. And I've watched one more episode of Cowboy Bebop. It's decent. I'd say it's definitely worth watching just because a couple of the episodes they do really, really wild stuff. Like they have some really good like one-shot episodes, and then also just like Spike and Jet are so charming together. There's like this whole running gag they have in one episode where Faye comes on the Bebop, and Jet and Spike keep on being like, she's just like the cosmonaut. But they won't fucking tell her what the deal is with that. You never find out. And it's so funny that they're like fucking winding this chick up.
Why won't it show me the texture, the UVs this time? I'm in edit mode. I have all the UVs selected, and this time it's just...
Does it have a texture?
Yes. That's why it's white right now.
Oh, you gave it the dice texture.
Yeah, I just wanted to throw something that I knew worked on it.
I'm not sure.
I want to see like what it's like actually unwrapping stuff, but it's being a dick face. I'm gonna go to.
Oh right, it's probably
my test server. Create a new channel. Blender. Bullshit.
I know there's a way I can like put this into its own class. Refactor this.
No, edit that.
Let's move this out of the data folder. And then deal with this. And then why are you still whining? Oh. And then this is that. And this is that. And delete this. And
Is it because I need to select? I thought I needed to select color. Maybe I have to select alpha? No, it looks like it has to be color. I just wish I could find the UVs, although I'll be really salty if it's just because I modeled this in the older version.
I don't think that'll be it, but you know, it's weird software, all bets are off, I guess. Oh no, am I missing Halo Infinite to be here? I am missing Halo Infinite. How lame. I'm gonna enjoy that game for like the 3 weeks anyone cares about it. Get rid of this. This is useless. This is useless and means nothing. Alright. And then
Why you buzz? Oh, it's Ryan. It's Ryan making buzz. I saw a nice pumpkin, Ryan. I'm trying to figure out how to get to the UVs and it's just being an asshole. Well, I did it on another project, and on this project, they're just not showing up. So, metadata, no. It should show up when I have these selected, but it's not showing up. Where's the stupid camera? There's the stupid camera. Okay. Tab out of that and click this. And then... Okay. Rotate. No. And we're gonna rotate it like this. Now we're gonna render image. It looks like there's no
nuke this.
texture when I render it, so maybe I didn't put a texture on it. But it says that there's a texture on it. Drag you. I'm gonna go to this. Select all. We're gonna try dragging again. Maybe if I
Ah! Stop. Cease and desist. Ugh. Ugh.
Maybe if I go like this and then drag this.
Fine. Fine.
Why bus? Why bus? Oh, ready. Ryan's trolling Brand. Well, Ryan's being Ryan.
I'm not 100% sure what that means, but
It means he messaged the group chat because he's like nice pumpkin in the group chat, and then Brandy's like, what pumpkin? Because he's physically looking over at my screen.
oh,
So
okay.
Brandy has no fucking clue what he's talking about. Maybe next week I'll model a new pumpkin in a new thing and see if that works out. Yeah, go like this. I'm just gonna save this one. Save image as. Save image as. Want this? Go this. Well, so I think I know why the pattern's not showing up. I believe it's just because the UVs are really weird. They're probably like really chunked on top of each other, which is a huge issue when I can't get to my fucking UVs.
Wasn't there a hotkey to like? Oh no, the hotkey is to show the whole image at once and not to show all the UVs at once. Or are you saying all the UVs are like one just dot, all blobbed on top of each other? Is that what you
No,
think?
because when I'm in the texture editor, the image should be here. Open capture. That was the wrong. I fucked up. What? Oh, relax. Staring. Everyone can stare at my pumpkin. Because I'm done with this shit right now. Everyone can stare at my black pumpkin-y ass.
The void pumpkin.
Yeah, the void pumpkin. I like that. We need to put that in a game.
Alright. Keep that in mind. Right. Item.
This is going on till December 1st. Why can't it go on until December 2nd? Then I can buy Devin cheap games on his birthday.
Do you mean the sale?
Yeah.
You can schedule stuff for delivery.
Okay.
So buy it and then schedule it to arrive on the day you want it to arrive. You'll be able to buy it at the sale price right now.
I don't think I'm friends with Devin on...
I believe he's the same as on Discord, Sleepy THC, but I will send you... oh yeah, I better not do that right now on live stream. Once the stream's over, I will open up my Steam and I will send you a link to his
Ryan's
profile.
talking to me, but I can't hear him because I have headset on and you're talking to me, so...
I'm sorry.
No, it's not your fault. It's Ryan trying to talk to me when I have a headset on and I'm talking to someone else.
Duncan, it's your fault.
I'm sorry.
Don't apologize for him. You fixed everything.
I fixed everything, or Ryan fixed
No,
everything?
Ryan.
Okay.
Okay. If I click this, it's gonna go here. I don't want that. This is my UV editor. I have it here. This. I do have an image. It's right there. That's what I'm saying.
Are you sure you assigned the image to the right thing?
Yes. Because every time I change the image on the texture, my pumpkin changes. But it doesn't do anything other than that.
What? I did all this stuff, and I just don't remember what it was made of now. Right. I made this into a thing so that I could change the times that events would happen after they were created, so that I could have events that depended on other things that weren't scheduled yet, which is going to create a very big problem if I have a very long chain of events that will depend on each other. So then, instead of saying event A happens after event B, I should say that event F happens after a value is changed by... No, that's not going to help. Yes, it is going to help. Another value is changed by event E. Because E will run and then give time, be like, hey F, this is the time. Yes, what were you going to say? Sorry.
Is Ooblets gonna be only on the other thing forever, or is that a timed thing?
I mean, it's not even released yet, so it's in like early access right now.
Disco Elysium, the final cut is 50% off.
It's a very good video game.
Ooh, In Others Waters is 50% off.
Also, you'll like the final cut because they voiced everything, so now you don't have to read.
God, I hate reading.
But the words in Disco Elysium is so good. I would like you to play Disco Elysium so you can join me in the Kim Kisaragi Simp Club. He's so great. It's like you go around Disco Elysium acting like a fucking video game protagonist, like picking money off of the floor and stuff, and Kim is just this regular fucking police officer who's like, what the fuck are you doing?
Ooh,
what?
Backbone is only $20 right now.
He has to keep explaining to all the NPCs why you're acting like such a fucking weirdo. It's great. That does sound great. He's just such a like lovely, long-suffering boy.
Ryan, do we get Necro Barista as a physical? It's on sale right now. It's 25% off.
There's 2 updates they've done to it, and there's a 3rd one on the way. I enjoyed Necro Barista. Also, with the new update, you can draw funny faces on the droids, which is great.
Potion Craft is 20% off.
Potion Craft?
Yeah, that's that one where you mix potions and it moves around on the map.
That's out?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
It's out?
Yeah.
No.
You're just like, no, no.
No. Potioncraft Alchemist Simulator. No, it's in early access. Don't fuck around with it. It's in early access. That's not out.
Oh, okay. I thought it was out.
No. You gotta scroll down far enough to the bit where it says early access game.
Oh, I'm just looking on my wish list right now.
Okay. I was gonna say I like specifically set things up so Steam will only alert me to when they're out. It will
Okay.
not alert me if something has gone into early access because I don't fucking care. It's like, a game every other year that comes out that I'm like, yeah, I fucking guess if I have to. Everything else, I'm just gonna wait until the real version 1.0 is out. I want to play it as the devs intended. Right. So here in message data, right now this is just a value. What I need to do.
Ooh, Max Gentleman Sexy Business is 50% off right now.
What I need to do is in here.
Later Alligators 45% off. Time Spinners 40% off. Parkosaurus.
Time Splitter. Time Spinner. It's fairly decent, fairly fun game. Kind of like.
Batbarian is 40% off.
Yeah, I really want to play. I really don't get around to playing that game.
Ryan, did we get Inkenfell?
Iconfell?
Sure, Iconfell. Ooh, Paradise Killers 30% off or 35% off.
Yeah. You keep on naming all these video games that I played and I liked.
Good. I'm adding it to my list of potentially I might buy at this sale.
Alright, yeah, you're doing the traditional thing of like making a pile of sale games. Yeah. Oh, I should look at the list. Right, so.
Ooh, 30. Oh, that's pretty good. Oh, okay. I'm kind of sad. I want In Other Waters to be on the Switch. I would play the shit out of that on the Switch. I kind of want the Steam Deck, to be honest. Because I play most of my games on my Switch sitting in front of my TV.
Yeah.
So I feel like the Steam Deck would be something I would use a lot. Ooh, an Artful Escape is 25% off.
Yeah, I was like, I'd really love to use the Switch controllers on my tablet, and then I was like, what I want is basically that's a Steam Deck. What I'm describing is a Steam Deck. Except with the Steam Deck, I cannot take the controllers off, which sucks.
Yeah.
Like,
I love that you can take the Joy-Cons off my Switch. I love being able to just like lay back and stretch out and lay in any awkward position I feel will please me while I play the game.
I kind of want to get better at playing games with the two Joy-Cons separate, because I feel like there's got to be way more ways you can like hold your arms comfortably whilst you're playing a game.
10% off. Lame. Okay, I'm gonna go to my cart. Where's my cart? Cart, where are you? Cart? There's my cart. $82. Ugh, not made out of money.
Sound like me.
The most expensive things are Inscription, $18. Paradise Killer, $14.
That figures
And the
Inscription.
Mega Aquarium.
Inscription came
with-
out really recently.
Yeah, I know. But it's on sale, so I'm like, oh, I really want to. I'm gonna take off Mega Aquarium, even though I fucking love those games. I'm gonna take off the Beasts of Maraville Island, which I will one day play. $60, not so bad. I'm gonna take off. No, I'm gonna keep that one. The more ways I have to learn Japanese, the more likely I'm gonna try to do.
You see, you're looking at your wish list, right? How do you
I
organize your? Are you just looking at your wish list by like sale percent?
Yeah.
Okay, this is like all the stuff that's usually on sale is still on sale, and I'm like, that's not. You're not helping me here.
Do you know how often Devin plays his PC games?
I do not. 1 second. Fuck. Steam, stop. Stop.
Steam, no. James was telling me how he likes to hit the button when crossing the street a bunch of times because it says wait, and he's like, it's the closest I've been to killing a man. Like, wait, 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 wait. He's like, it gives me an adrenaline rush. So now.
Here we go.
Is $60 a reasonable price for 5 games, including Inscription being one of them?
I mean, I think so. Do you want me to tell you the average I spend on games is?
Yes.
I can probably do that. I can tell you the average per game. Alright, it's going to take me a second. I have the total for this year, but then I'm going to have to add up the total number of games that I spent money on. So the total's $996. And then... Oh wait, but I'll take Silk Song off that because it's not come out yet. In fact, I need to take 2 other games off here that aren't out yet. That's... Or... No, I won't take them off. I will just include them as like games that I'm going to buy. Because I already budgeted for them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. 6 divided by 47. $20.55 per game.
Okay.
And that average is very much dragged up by near new Pokemon Snap.
I knew New Pokemon Snap was gonna.
And Deathloop and Final Fantasy 14. Which I might have actually...
bragging about how he won a bunch of fucking League games. What a dick. Why buzz? Why buzz? Oh, Steam's thanking me for spending a bunch of money.
Oh yeah, Shadowbringers is $50. Alright. Endwalkers is $50. So I actually overvalued this because I put it in for 60. I mean, it's going to be 55 after tax, I guess.
Oh, Astroneer is on sale.
Astroneer is a good time.
I'm gonna add that to my wish list. Because that's a game I'd be willing to play with people. You know how everyone's like, play something that's not League with us. Specifically, Lucas is saying that. And I'm like, I don't know.
Ugh, man. Going at it with Lucas today was funny. I think I touched a nerve.
Oh, when? What'd you do?
In chat, we were talking about Undungeon. He was complaining about how the dodging looked bad and was like, I played 3 Newgrounds games that have better dodging than this. And I'm like, yeah, dude, you know this is based on the exploitation of people's labor, right? The game was free because somebody worked really hard and didn't get compensated fairly for it. And he was like demanding I provide examples that the games that he'd played were doing that. And in the end, I was like, you're telling me to account for my lived experience of working in the industry. It was a dumb conversation anyway, because initially I was just mostly ragging him because he was like, this game isn't juicy enough, when what he means is the combat isn't enough like Dark Souls for me. Which is fine, you know, people are entitled to their fucking opinions. Whatever. Yeah, I'll play Astroneer. I'm not like, I already beat it. That's where I'm at with Astroneer. I already beat it. So if I played it again, I'd probably just like be derping around a bunch. Ah. Like,
I used to like oxygen not included, but then they kept adding stuff, and I was like, this is too complicated for my peanut brain.
I couldn't get back
Wish
into
you could like
oxygen.
turn off certain things. I don't like how fast everything heats up, and then once it's like heated up, you're just fucked because everyone dies.
There's probably mods for stuff like that. I don't know.
I'm not good at that. I just said I had a peanut brain.
Yeah, that's fine. You just practice. Practice until you know better.
No, I'm already too stressed practicing other stuff.
Here's what's wild to me, Eve, is that you're like good at art because you practice art all the time until you're good at it, right? And when other people are like, I wish I was good at art like you're like, yeah, just draw something every day until you're good, right? That's my secret. Just take that. Just take that.
There's a difference. There's a difference.
What's the difference?
There's a difference between just drawing and kind of learning little bits and pieces by just doodling shit. Like drawing more and more and more, sooner or later you'll learn stuff. But like when you're learning technology, there's so many levels to it. Of like, for instance, I get modeling in the sense that I understand 3D spaces. I don't get how to make my UVs appear on this fucking thing for no reason. So like, I can't just practice knowing something when I don't like when it's just not working right. Or I don't know how to make it work right. But you know how to make a pencil work right. It's not like a pencil is like 30 layers of things.
I mean, I don't know how to make a pencil work right. Like I can't make the pencil do what I want it to do.
You can make the pencil touch the paper and move around on the paper. That is about as a complex. Okay, no, I'm wrong. You can also erase with it, and you know that turning it to the side, depending on the type of pencil and like shading, so like if you like lightly do it, and you understand that pressing harder makes it darker. Like that's about as complex as a pencil gets. Everything else is your knowledge of like how the world works. Like what is a circle compared to a sphere? Like lighting is harder, like the further steps are harder, but like when it comes to technology, there's a bunch of fucking barriers of like, oh, well you have to look at this window I have and you have to know all of the different, like even simplified, like if I go, fuck, how do I close it? I don't even fucking remember how to close this. think it's this. No, I just opened a new one. So easy.
I never said anything was easy. All right, that was not what I'm saying. Like stuff's garbage and difficult.
I'm saying that learning technology is way harder than learning how to draw.
Yeah.
And that's why I'm stressed out about learning and practicing things, specifically technology. I hate this.
When you're trying to do something, you just keep making more and more windows until you can't like.
No!
Oh, this is.
This is what I'm talking about.
You've got to have it in like the mode that is for making more windows, right?
No, I don't. It's like you have to click a specific corner and drag it a specific way, and every time I do it, I'm clicking the wrong fucking corner and dragging it the wrong fucking way. Okay, there we go. I'm getting it now. No! Okay, here we go. I'm getting it.
Do you have? This may be a distraction from the thing that you're doing right now.
No, it's fine. I closed the windows.
Do you have layouts in? Hey, actually, I need to just like look at my screen 1 second, and I'll explain the thing that I'm talking about in Unity. So, Unity has window layouts, and I guess I didn't save my current layout, so I'll do that now. So once I've got my windows in here arranged how I want them, I can just like change between my arrangements. So if I go to 4 default, it's going to go to a 4 view. If I click on layout here to the layout I just saved, it puts it back the way I just had it.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure there is, but I don't know how to set it up.
You might want to look at setting one of those up for Blender so that when you're like, why have I got 16 fucking million windows, I can just go back to my default layout. I have problems in Unity sometimes where I'm like, where are all my windows and what the fuck's going on? And I just put it back to my regular layout. Anyway, you're like, yeah, I can't get this texture to show up. These UVs to show up. Right?
Mm-hmm.
To which I'd be like, my inability to look at something and then put the pencil on the page and draw the thing the way it looks on the page is a similar frustration to what you feel when you're like, why will this tool not just show me the UVs? Only in my case, I'm like, the tool is me. Why am I such a shitty tool that I can't find the thing I have to click to get my UVs to show up? But you know how to practice.
Yeah, but if I practice, so let's say it's like, okay, just practice modeling a 3D item. Let's ignore textures for now.
Mm-hmm.
I can practice modeling and maybe learn bits and pieces about modeling here and there. But then it's just like the texture system is completely different from the modeling system. So even if I know the modeling system in and out and I can model the perfect thing, like the textures, and if I like in a situation like this where I click on the thing and the tutorials I've listened to and the ways I've done it before are just not working, I don't know what to do.
I mean, you have to like relearn. I think that's more like the thing that is really frustrating for you, right? Like when you're drawing, you don't have to relearn shit. Once you've learned how to do something, that skill is like immutable and lasts forever. Whereas if you, well, like if you're retiring your skills, you're retiring your skills, right? You're like, oh, I'm going to learn this new style, or I'm going to improve this thing, and then I'm going to have to unlearn.
You can like learn how to do a thing and then completely forget it and have to relearn it later.
Yeah. But like you're not being forced by an external piece of technology, right? This is why this is frustrating, is that it's like, oh, I learned how to do a thing.
Technology that just won't work with me, and I don't know how to make. And I like some things I can just Google, and some things are super easy to Google. But then there's things that it's just like, nope, this doesn't exist on the internet, or it's always confused in a complicated way, or it's done in a previous version of this program that does not have a remotely same layout as the previous version.
But it seems like the bigger problem is how frustrating you find that.
Mm-hmm.
And you're like, oh, I'm a pea brain. You're not a pea brain.
Peanut brain. Thank you very
Peanut
much.
brain. Whatever. You're not a peanut brain. You're not a dum-dum. You can learn things. You are capable of learning. You just like get frustrated, and when you're frustrated, like nothing penetrates anymore because it's fucking
Yeah.
aggravating. Like nobody learns when they're frustrated. Except for those weird angry people who like who are like get angry and then get even.
Well, it's 10:30.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna go play Halo, I guess.
But
God,
first, you're gonna tell me Devon's.
Oh right, I can look at that now. I'll do that now rather than going off the call because
Oh,
otherwise
have you closed?
Yeah, we're on the Meet the Cast screen. People can't see what I'm doing on my computer and have not been able to for like a little while. I always forget that I have that. Right. Last online 3 minutes ago. V profile. He's gamed 30 hours in the past 2 weeks playing Factorio and Faster Than Light.
Okay, so he does play regularly.
Yeah.
Wow.
Played 104 hours of Rogue Heroes Ruins of Tarsos. Oh, Devon does have Stardew Valley on PC.
Oh, nice.
So maybe I won't get them the physical then.
Okay. Yeah, I don't have him on my. I assume his name is the same on Discord.
Yeah, hang on. I should be able to send you a link to his profile, and then you should be able to friend him from there, unless his profile is hidden to people who are not friends with him, which some people do.
Oh, yeah, I hate that. Somebody named Springs has tried to add me, and I don't know who this person is.
Wait, that's not you. That's you. Doesn't Steam usually? I guess. Have you looked at their profile page and see if it has their name on it?
No information yet. They're level 102. They played Project Zomboid, Halo Infinite, Evil Genius 2. They're currently online.
I don't know then. Usually people where I'm like, I don't know who they are, when I look them up, I'll find out. Find out enough to put everything together. Alright. Well, you got kind of what you needed. Let's reconvene next week so I can lose my goddamn mind some more. Maybe. See ya.
Bye!